everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, this is Onions Craft, and all we do here basically is about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if that sounds like where you want to be, let's do it to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you for joining in. So in today's video will be talking about how to make the edge, like the front of your wig, your synthetic wigs per se, to become flat, like to look original. So know that when you buy a synthetic wig, it's always looking bulky at that edge, at that front part, like at that center part. It's always looking bulky kinda. So all I want today is to learn how you can make it flat so it to look natural and to look a little bit less of synthetic. So stay tuned. Yo, welcome back. This is the wig I was talking about, and can you see it's looking like it's so disgraceful. So I decided to try out a little thing with it. Well, I bought two of this wig, like I bought it from Jumia, or like the advert thumbnail was so captivating, so I decided to order like two of it, and it came like this. I was so disappointed, but then I decided to try like doing it like this for the other wig, and it came out nice. So I just wanted to share my tips with you guys, so I decided to use the second wig as an example. So you just have to do is just cut this front net. This, like, there's one overlapping net at the front that is always big, and so you just have to cut it out with the scissors. But whenever you're cutting it, be careful, so you won't make a mistake and cut the hair or the closure. Just be careful while cutting the net. So you can see it's looking good already. That bulky part in the front is already reducing. So we'll move to the next step. And yes, I did some things off the video, like I revamped the wig. I revamped it, but I didn't do it like on camera. I did it off camera. So if you need a tutorial for how you can revamp your old wig, you can drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to help. With that. So all I just did here was that I cut out some part of the wig that was looking too extra in that back side. I just cut out because it was looking big and somehow at the back part. So I just trimmed it out. Well, if you can't do this process, you don't have to do it. It's not compulsory. It is just the way this wig is. That's why I'm doing that. It is not compulsory. So, and it's very tricky. So if you cut it and you're not good with wigs or so, you might just make a mistake and cut the parts that you're not supposed to cut out. So I just use needle and try to tack it down like so. And this is it. So I just wanted to like get the closure part neatly. Yeah, like I just wanted to like make that center line a little bit neater than the way it was. So I'm just bringing out some hair in the center that is not needed, and I'm cutting them out. And I'm also using my my comb to make sure that everything is aligned. Just follow through the process like so. It is easy, like very easy. Just be careful, don't cut out excess, don't cut out where you're not supposed to cut. Make sure you cut the hair to the down part, like cut everything so that that line will show well. It's just like so. It is easy as ABC, but you just have to be very careful so you don't cut out you don't cut out, like even cut out the thread that is used to secure the stuff together. Don't cut it out, be very careful. So one thing I also cut out in the front was that I made sure I cut out the closure part with the rubber that is under the closure. I cut it out, I cut it inside, so I make sure the ear is coming outside more than the closure. I cut out that center a little bit inside, so that the ear is showing in the front more than the closure. That's just it. It's very easy. So I just comb it through, and that's it. I revamped it, and this is it. This is finished look. Is looking so pretty. At least the center is better than the first picture I saw earlier. It was really disgraceful that time. I mean, you can't even try and wear out. So but now it is looking better. It's looking good. I mean, it's looking so good. So this is it. I'm in love with it. I'm really in love with it. I'm sure that this will be one of my favorite wigs. Even the color is giving. I mean, I know. Welcome back. So I deliberately wore the wig so that you can see the front part. It's so nice, right? It's no more bulky here, like it's no more big. So nice. Well, just ignore this wig because there's hair under. I just deliberately wore the wig so that you can see how the front part looks. So that's just it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please do well to comment below anything that you feel like you want to know, and please help me share to your friends and family. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Now see you in my next video. Bye.